My name's Rene-Gonzalez, pretty much the boss here in this truck.
What's the name of your business?
La Esperanza, Tacos La Esperanza. A lot of people ask us about why is this here, but this is our way, we're from, our style of food, Baja, keep everything Baja style. That's what we have, the Baja fish tacos, which is the most original. Only the first people in this town to sell original Baja fish tacos. So now the only way you can get it from is now original. You get fish tacos, shrimp tacos, with the best shrimp burrito. We sell burrito bowls, because everybody likes burrito bowls now. And Puerto Cubana, we were the first people that sold this in this area around here as well. We got the house specialty right now, which is mainly trending, quesadillas. Trending.